What you have in front of you is the world's most energy-efficient displays. They can be customized to fit in practically any application, and as you'll see, they are thin and flexible. This is the box. In a few simple steps, I'll guide you through the contents. Firstly, what you'll see is a QR code with a link to this guide, but you probably know that since you're watching this video. These are our standard display samples. I'd like to emphasize that we can also customize designs to fit your needs. Let's choose a sample. Good choice, Michael. In the next layer, you'll find the clicker, the driver, and the adapter, and some wires. But let's start with the clicker. Regardless of expertise or experience, you'll have no problem using this device. Remove the strip from the battery. Insert the display. Press the right button to activate. Press the left button to deactivate. A little disclaimer, don't press the button for too long, because it might harm the display. Even without energy, the image will linger. Driver. The display driver is created to make it simple and intuitive to drive the display. By connecting it to a development board, such as an Arduino, you can implement it directly into your prototype. With our software library, you'll be up and running in no time. For more info, click the link. Way to go, Michael. Adapter. The adapter enables you to delve deeper into the possibilities of driving the display, as well as connecting it to your existing system with no additional components. A unique feature with our display is that it can be connected directly to most microcontrollers. A little disclaimer, it might be useful to check out the datasheet before getting into specifics. Now that you have a full grasp on how you're using the clicker, the driver, and the adapter, you're ready for prototype production and make your own customized displays. I'll be here to support you every step of the way.